Hi guys, Terry's Garage, and I've wanted to do a review of the PowerBlade Windshield that's on my Rocket 3 GT. So still really the only super cool looking windshield I've seen for the Rocket 3 GT. I've been out looking around and just getting some angles here. You can see that it's adjustable. Right there you can move this and go back and forth or up and down here. And just want you guys to see that. It's kind of a double windshield effect, so it looks cool. Picks up the appearance of the bike, and some air comes through here, which is nice. And it creates an opportunity back here for a leather storage bag or something. And that's what mine looks like. I've had it on for a couple months now, and this does come with two windshields. So there's a base windshield that comes with two options here. It comes with a shorter one or a larger windshield that I'll show you guys in a second, and it probably goes up to about here, and I'll lay it over. Well, let's do that right now. We'll grab it. There's some GoPro equipment. Here's the bag it came in, and here it is. This is the larger one, right? I'm kind of holding it up, and it comes in two options, tinted or clear, and I got the tinted one. And here I'm laying it over. You can see the size difference right there. So at any time I could swap out, but I won't. As I've let you guys know, I wear a mesh Revit jacket, and I wanted some air to come over and hit that jacket for the circulation inside the jacket. So this is a great windshield. The price is great. I checked the price today. It's 195 pounds plus shipping, so factor the exchange rate around 320 bucks. And if you have any questions, I'll help you out. I was one of the early adapters of this product, and this did come with incomplete instructions, but they rectified that pretty quickly. Price is great. The look is really good. It picks up the bike, and kind of like having it on. I don't adjust it too much, but you know, the opportunity's there. And you can see this great dual headlight setup here in LEDs. Since we're looking at it, I think it's great for riding at night. And I'll have my wrap-up comments at the end of the video here. You guys have a great day. Hit like and subscribe. Okay, you can see I've talked about the windshield adjustability, forward, back, up and down. You have windshield options. It comes with more than one. It's a great value for the money. The light tint or clear are available. I did have an issue with my instructions not being complete, but you know, it came from the UK and they corrected it immediately. And I've noticed pressure from the windshield can leave marks where the mounting plate is. Alright, well, thank you for watching this episode, and hit like and subscribe, and always happy to look at what everyone has to say, so leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching this, and have the best day possible. Thank you.